Are you also running a service-based business and want to automate the conversations with your clients or customers on WhatsApp? Then I have bought this amazing video for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for service-based business. So now let me firstly show you how the chatbot is going to work in real time so that you can understand it's working for your business too. And afterwards, we will build this automation by using an amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow. So for testing this WhatsApp chatbot, let's move on towards my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided the message that is hello, I'm getting this welcome message which says, hello, welcome to Urban Clap Services. We provide trusted home services like cleaning, repairs and beauty services. And I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my home service business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And here we are getting these both buttons, that is book a service and get pricing. So here I'm going to select this button that is book a service, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my location or area. So here I'm going to enter my location or area as ABC Street, Bhopal. So now let me enter my location or area, and as I have provided my location, area or address, I'm getting a message which is asking me to select the service which I want. So now let's open this list and check out the services. So here I'm getting some of the services. So I'm going to select this first service that is home cleaning. And as I have selected this service, I'm getting this confirmation message which says your request has been submitted. So now you can see that I can successfully book the service with this chatbot. And now I'm going to select this second button that is get pricing. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message consisting the pricings of the services provided by this particular business. So now you have seen how this WhatsApp chatbot works, and now let me show you how you can create it for your business too. And you can create it for any business you are running, whether service based, any online store, any online business too. And by using this chatbot, your customers can book the services automatically and you don't have to interact with them 24/7, as this is going to work as a digital team member for your business. So now let's create it, and for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow and move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, and if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user, then you have to type the URL of Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you can explore Pabbly Chatflow and create your chatbots for freely now. And if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you also want to create this automation for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans, as Pabbly Chatflow is offering you 100 free credits. And now let's move on towards the flow page, and make sure to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn this whole process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can find the video given on the description. And for getting this flow page, you just have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and here I have provided it the name build a WhatsApp chatbot for service based business, and here we are getting this option for trigger. And now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts a conversation, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with this WhatsApp chatbot, I have initiated my WhatsApp chatbot by entering this message that is hello, and this is also a keyword. So here I am going to enter my keyword as hello. So as soon as someone will type this message that is, hello, my WhatsApp chatbot will be initiated, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But as I already have my keyword, I am removing this regex from here. Now on your left hand side, you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I am going to send them a welcome message. So for that, we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting all these message nodes, which you can get by drag and drop, and even you can select it from this message block too. And here I'm going to select this text button where I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message, and now I'm going to create a button. So for that, we just have to click over this add button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the button name and select the button type. So here I'm going to enter my button name as book a service, and for the button type I have selected quick reply. And if you want this button to react as a link, then you can even select the link as well, but I'm going to keep it as quick reply. Now let's click over this save button, and here we have successfully created our button that is book a service. Now let me create one more button that is get pricing. So here I have created my second button as well. Now if my user select this first button that is book a service, I am going to ask them some questions regarding their name and the location, area or address. So for that, we just have to go towards the actions where you will see this node that is ask question, which you have to select. And now I am going to connect it with my this button that is book a service, and here I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user. So here I have entered this question asking for the full name, and now I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name too. And here you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of that particular data. Means this contact custom field is going to store my lead's full name. And for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name and click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. But for now, I already have my contact custom field which I have selected, and now let's select the format as any. Now likewise, I am going to add one more question asking for the location. So here I have entered this question asking for the location or the area, and here I have selected my contact custom field as address and the format as any. Now if my user provides me answer of both these questions, I am going to ask them regarding the service which my user wants to select, and for that I am going to provide the list. So for that, you just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting this option for list which you have to select. And now in this list node, I am going to enter the body for my list. So here I have entered this body for my list. Now I am going to add some items to this particular list. So for that, we firstly have to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I am going to enter my section title as services. So now let me enter it, and afterwards in this particular section I am going to add some items, and you can create many more sections too. And now I am going to just click over this add items, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the title and the description. So now let's enter the title of our first list item or the first service. So here I have created the first item of my list. Now likewise, I am going to add some more items to my list. So here I have added two more items to my list, that is AC repair and electrical work. Now I want to get that response or the service which my user has selected. So for that, again we have to provide contact custom field. So for adding the contact custom field nodes, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is set custom field which you have to select. And now I am going to connect it with my first list item, and from here I am going to select my contact custom field as service type. And now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. And as you know, I am creating this contact custom field for my first list item that is home cleaning. So I am going to enter the same value. Now likewise, I am going to provide the contact custom field to remaining list item as well. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that, we just have to drag and drop, and here I am going to select text button. So here I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message regarding the booking, and afterwards we have to extend our second button, that is get pricing. So for that I'm going to provide all the pricing details in this text button node. So here I have entered all my pricing details in this message node. Now I am going to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and here I have shown you the process of creating an automation by using which you can automate your service based business on WhatsApp, and now you don't have to manually reply to your customers again and again, and they can even book the services by using this WhatsApp chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.